Seriously, are you tired of jumping between different apps just to research, write, and take notes? I found this one AI that literally does it all. It's a game changer for everyone who creates content. If this makes your work life 100 times easier, hit that like button, share it with a friend, and make sure you subscribe. It motivates me. This is the Genspark AI Workspace. And trust me, it's not just another chatbot. It's like having a dedicated creative studio right here. It's perfect for writers, students, or anyone who needs to manage complex projects. What I love is that when you ask it something, it gives you live search results, helps you organize all the information, and then lets you write the new content right there. No more copy pasting back and forth. Whether you are drafting a huge project report, preparing for an exam, or just trying to outline your next video, Genspark keep everything seamless, organized, and super fast. It truly streamline your entire creative process. Just a hands up. Always remember to double check the facts and make the final content your own. AI is an amazing co-pilot, but you are still the pilot, okay? So if you are ready to stop judging tabs and start creating faster and smarter, give the Genspark AI workspace a try. Let me know in the comment if you try it. And as always, hit that subscribe button.